You are about to save big during the Kilimall Super Brand Sale that will be starting on the 1st of September all the way to the 28th of September. Yeah, you had that right. You are going to enjoy mega discounts including the 70% off discount on tech products, appliances, beauty, fashion and many more. And every day is a brand deal. Samsung, Hisense, TCL, Victron, Lenovo and even Medley. And you can get 500 exclusive brand voucher and also 100 off on each and every order. There will be free shipping vouchers and also brand deals per Flash sale starting at exactly 10 a.m., 4 p.m. and also 8 p.m. all at a half price.
Plus, stand a chance to win a free Ghana kit worth 2,699 Kenya shillings, and we have 15 of them, all sponsored by Ghana. So what are you waiting for? Deals this hot don't last forever. Click this link and start saving now.